What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. We only have one story today. It's been fairly slow news week so far with tech news, so hopefully it picks up the rest of the week because again, it's been fairly slow. But anyways, today's story is about the Samsung Galaxy S11. Well, why are you holding up the Galaxy Note 10? Well, we'll get to that because it has to do with the cameras. And today's rumor obviously is about the camera for the S11. The latest rumor coming out is that it's going to, as we know, have a 108 megapixel sensor built into the camera. But the bigger thing in here today anyway is that the camera codename is going to be Hubble, as in Hubble telescope, because of the way it lets light into the camera sensor. And also it's gonna have a 5 times optical zoom. Now, a couple other things about the camera sensor itself. I guess it's not gonna be vertical. It sounds like it's gonna be sideways the way it was with the Galaxy S10 line of phones as well. So you're gonna have that, again, sideways versus vertical. I think I actually prefer the way it looks sideways rather than vertical. What about you guys? Let me know in the comments down below. And then also the camera should be flush with the phone. There really shouldn't be any camera bump at all. I know it's another thing people like about their phones, even though, again, 99.9% of people probably don't use their phone naked, so it wobbling on a surface probably isn't a big deal because when you put a case on, it kind of neutralizes that effect and it keeps everything stable and level. Other than that rumor, I personally expect the camera on the front and the back to both have 4K 60. I know the back already has 4K 60, the front has 4K 30, but the front will definitely, if it doesn't, I'd be completely shocked, would definitely get 4K 60 at this point, especially with Apple already having it on their phones. Samsung's definitely gonna wanna compete with that. Other than that, guys, let me know in the comments down below, what does the Galaxy S11 need to have in order for you to purchase it? Does it need to have 20 gigs of RAM? Does it need to have, obviously it's gonna have a Snapdragon 865 and the newest Exynos processor, and let me know what else it needs to have in order for you to purchase it. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace!